FITLEC Plus ECI is FILTEC's next-level empty can inspection system. It only takes less than half a meter on your production line and can inspect at speeds up to 2,400 containers per minute. It can detect defects like dents, nicks, punctured sidewalls, dirt, or other contaminants. System highlights are the super bright LED strobe, proprietary inspection algorithms, event log, on-screen diagnostics, and wizard-driven changeover. The empty can inspection system reduces downtime on your production line and reduces seam or jams, as it only allows pristine cans within specification to pass on through the filler and seamer. Protecting the integrity of our customers' products is important to us. We like new ideas, and our team of engineers continues to be leaders in industry innovation. We design vision systems that meet the demands of the evolving packaging market.